Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube in your desktop browser and signing into your account so settings persist. Once done, click your profile icon at top right to reveal the menu. You want the appearance or dark theme option visible. If it's not, make sure you're on the main site and not embedded view. This step locates the control that toggles dark mode off versus on, and it prevents confusion later when settings don't appear where you expect them. You now open Profile and choose Appearance or Theme from the drop-down. That control changes site colors. Next, pick Light Theme to turn off dark mode immediately, or pick Use Device Theme to match your operating system settings. Make sure to disable any browser extensions that force dark styles first, because they override YouTube's option. After changing, refresh the page to confirm the light scheme loads. These steps ensure the site setting, not an override, controls the final appearance. You finish by refreshing the page and checking that the light theme is active. If it isn't, clear your browser cache and reload so old CSS isn't stuck. On mobile, open the YouTube app, go to Settings General Appearance and choose Light. Update the app if that option is missing. If problems persist, open an incognito window to rule out extensions or test a different account. This isolates the cause so you can fix extension conflicts or account-specific settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.